Hey guys, what's up? I'm Jeremy from Weldtec Designs, and if you've been hanging out on this channel for any time, you guys are gonna know that I am a big fan of the Chevy vans, whether it be two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive. But I'm gonna have to tell you guys, I love the two-wheel drives. I think that these things are awesome for the money and they work and look great. And this is a killer one that I have behind me that you will see in a future video. But until then, I wanna show you guys some of my top Chevy builds that I just love. Tell me which one is your favorite. Comment below, and everybody who comments, we might as well, let's give you guys something. Maybe a cool Weldtec Designs hat. Throw those comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys later. Wait, here. We're gonna have to do that again. And you hit a button. What? What? Dude. Look at this. See, his bed is across the back of this thing. So this is in the beginning stages of the build out. But could you imagine just opening this up and like maybe having a platform so you can sleep across, maybe everything floats. I mean, it's just, the mind just starts going. There's like endless